In today's world, it's amazing how simple things we tend to overlook, like attention. All of us as human beings are seeking attention. That's why we dress well, that's why we buy things, that's why we exercise, because we want people's attention. If you look at it, it is probably one of the most precious commodities in today's life and one of the rarest, because everybody is stuck up on their phones or different kinds of screens, and we often just don't look at the person next to us even when talking to them. Eye contact, smile, emotional connection, none of that is, I shouldn't say it doesn't exist, but it's getting rarer and rarer, and it's getting weaker and weaker, the connections that we are making. And as a result, although we have technology, although we have more prosperity and everything that we have in today's modern life, people are still very unhappy and lonely. There was one time a media reporter, he walks into an orphanage and he sees that it is supposed to have lots of babies in this orphanage, but it's a very quiet orphanage. Pin drop silence. And he's wondering what's happening. He looks into the cots and he sees the babies are alive, they're breathing, but they're not crying. What's wrong? And then this shocking revelation came to him that the babies are tired of crying because no one gives them attention. When they cry, no one comes and cleans them up, or no one comes and feeds them, because orphanage is run down, doesn't have money, doesn't have staff too much, so it's basically just keeping with the flow. So very heart-wrenching when I heard that for the first time. But that is true in adult life also. There are so many people surrounded by their friends and so many thousands of friends and followers on Facebook and social media. But at the end of the day, when we go to our bed and try to sleep, we feel lonely. Do you feel that way? There's no point blaming anyone about it. The way to do it is start giving attention to people. Like I always say, give before asking. So give attention. When somebody is with you, you're talking to them, regardless of if they're a waiter or they're your servant or they are your boss or they're your friend, look at them. Full attention, full body oriented towards them, not like this or this or this, but fully looking at them. I am here with you 100%. You have my full attention. If somebody walks by, I'm not going to look at them. Your eyes and my eyes are connected. I'm here for you now. You do this and you watch what happens. Whether you're sealing business decisions, whether you're in a date, whether you are trying to negotiate a deal, whatever you do, if you can maintain eye contact and give full attention and hear very, very carefully what the other person is saying and ask questions or clarify things based on full understanding of what they're saying, you will be amazed how you can quickly transform and influence the other person, because they feel gratified that you're giving them this rare commodity called attention. It's like giving somebody diamond. Will they be happy with you? You bet. Same thing. You give somebody attention, will they be happy? Absolutely. Can you transform? Yes. Can you command loyalty? Absolutely. Can you influence them to make decisions? Yes. I have been mentoring people since 2009, and many youths have gone through my mentorship, and I have helped people with breakout financial issues, parental issues, getting jobs, all kinds of things, communication problems, anger issues, stealing problems, drug addictions. And there's one thing I've done, and just give them full attention and listen to their problems when they're sharing it. A lot of times the mistake we do is when people are sharing their problems, we are very eager to give our opinion. We're very eager to give our perspective. Or, oh, I also felt that. I also did this. Oh, you fell from the bed. I also fell from the tree. Oh, you went to the Himalayas. I went to the Alps. We're more focused on ourselves. The tension is here. Just try giving it to the other person and see what happens. The currency of attention is more powerful. The currency of money or the currency of bribes or a currency of whatever you can think of. When you give somebody attention, you touch their hearts. You walk right into their hearts and they will reciprocate because it is human nature. Now onwards, practice it. Because we are too much affected by the pings and the pangs of social media and this and that. So all I'm saying is, when you're giving somebody an attention, the world doesn't exist. Nothing exists but that one person. Do this. You'll be able to heal people's hearts. You'll be able to transform lives, and you will be liked and appreciate it for the rest of your life. I guarantee you that.